It's time to duel! Denied.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Now you're gonna fucking be in the fucking like plane.
It's been 4 weeks since you slept with me. I was horny, both turtleneck and angry. 1 month since you looked at me and said, come to bed, I'm ready, get over here and bang me. 4 weeks since you polished me, parked the pink Cadillac and held the sausage hostage. Too long since the pigskin bus drove into Town and lost most of his luggage. Blue balls, I got a backlog, I got a jack off. Burp the worm and spank the monkey. I get flustered, so I tussle with the love pump to make the slug jump. There's a lack of rumpy pumpy. I yank the doodle, drain the dragon. I miss the shagging, so I sit and cuff the puppy. Beat the bishop, stab the rabbit, choke the sheriff, or while he's waiting for the posse. Gonna pop the purple pimple, wax the weasel, pound the flounder, stoke the poker, toss off a batch of orphans. Gonna flick the stick and slam the ham, jerk the jerk and take a shake and break and then manipulate the mango. I can't help it, I go whitewater wristing. All I need's a night of indoor fishing. I choke the chicken and I don't know how to thank you. Is it any wonder now that I've become a wanker? I have a tendency to bop and Mr. Cyclops. I have a history of punishing the Pope. It's been 4 weeks since you honed the bone, so I tenderize my beef, I tussle with my muscle. Long time since we drove it home. Gotta slap my happy sacks around and do the knuckle shuffle. 1 month since our private talk. There was a time when we grind every night and it was so fine. Now I plant the seed and check the beanstalk, and I'm doing try to shine what's mine until I go blind. Punch the munchkin, pop the shank, pump the python, yank the crank, check the dipstick, buttercorn, take a quick trip around the horn, charm the cobra, tame the hog, choke and Kojak, pet the dog.
Energy per nucleon. Did you write that down, Rob?
Finding energy per nucleon. I'll do that now.
Yeah, so look up Wikipedia and there'll be an entry there on fusion, and what you want is fusion. With our telescopes, starting off with was it the Kuiper? No, it was named after somebody beginning with K or H. Anyway, that telescope died. We've found a total of 3,500 solar systems with 5,000 planets.
Why is there a car in there? Are you serious? Like the lights stop flashing like that. And yes, I have motorcyclists too.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
fucking idiot. You. You're a fucking prick.
One friend left, so close. One works down.
Wanker. Fucking wanker.
Yeah, Agri Panthers. Geraldine Hickey. Spotto.
What the fuck is this cunt fucking doing? Fucktard? Oh, this fucking you. You could have just gone around the same way as me, mate.
So chuck out your Under Armours. Is he allowed to pull up there? Nope.
Pretty sure the line's back here, buddy. Same with this guy.
It means they have a very, 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 very small dick.
Two that are going to Scotty's, I think.
That way. One way! And you're still gonna go in there anyway! What are you stopping for? AKE 59W. Can't go in there. Whoa.
You are one dumb son of a bitch.
Oh.
Actually not that bad, it'll buff out.
The $20 billion worth of trade sanctions that China has slapped on Australian
Could have sworn that was a left turn only, mate. Could have sworn that was a double centre line.
As well as the plight of Australian
Good job,
journalist
mate.
Chun Lei, who was detained also in 2020.
Holy shit.
A few moments later.
Gotcha, bitch!
The noob is turning from the wrong lane.
Third place. So you never know when it comes to the BBL. There's still quite a few matches left to play.
Just
So that's a
stay.
little bit of a map
Just
of what's
stay.
happening there.
It's a Camry driver. What do you expect? He's never going to get the green arrow.
Regarding, we'll get comments from Andy Harper on this, but preparations for the
Just stay.
2023 Women's World Cup have been in full swing. It is in Australia and New Zealand, and FIFA have announced they've sold more than 500,000 tickets already. There will be more on sale if you've been trying to get hold of them, but you've probably heard the news that they've moved the Matilda's first game from Allianz Stadium.
He's a noob.
To the Homebush Stadium.
Camry driver.
Stadium, isn't it?
And in the early days, everything used to shut down.
You fucking idiot. Unbelievable. And where does it get you? Fucking nowhere.
Pay attention to use by, and what's the difference between use by and best before? Well,
He's fucking special, that one. But he's a Camry driver.
best before is a guide. Product starts to lose that quality. Exactly, this is very exciting. It's vital detail that Anthony Albanese wants to see a Pacific Islands team in the NRL based in Papua New Guinea.
You've got such a tiny dick.
I don't think they could have done it any other way because the way the roads are. Really. Oh, now you're going to go left from there, you idiot.
Can't go left. It's going to be an awful trouble.
You've got to go straight or right. There's one for Scotty's. Let's see what happens. Really hard to do and stupid. It would just be by the book. See, there's the left. What are you doing?
What's my name? Say my name, bitch!
Ah, there's another one for Scott's dash cams. Say my name!
For goodness sake! Fucking hell. For goodness sake! Fucking hell.
Bogans, bogans, bogans. Perth's got lots of bogans, sucking on their meth pipes. Let's hide. Don't try to understand 'em, just round 'em up and brand 'em with a Southern Cross tattoo and sleeves both sides. It's true they don't like reading, but they're very good at breeding with Brandon, Shannon, Dax, and Finch and Kai. Get a job, get a root, get her pregnant in the ute. No, they don't like immigration, let's hide. In the pub, Jack and Coke, play some pool, smash some bloke. What a Saturday night. Bogans, gotta love 'em.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Say goodbye. And who do you think you are? In your hotted up shithouse car, doing doughies in your local park and sucking back on a dart.
Someone's kidnapped Santa.